AI isn't going to take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will.
Adapt or die.
Right now, businesses are automating faster than ever. Scheduling, support, marketing, even quoting. But here's the truth. It's not AI replacing people. It's people who know how to use AI replacing those who don't. The salon owner who automates bookings. The virtual assistant who uses AI for instant replies. These aren't tech experts. They're people who decided to adapt faster. Think back and listen to the early days of the internet. People who embraced it early had an edge. AI is the exact same, except it's moving 10 times faster. You don't need 10 employees, you only need one who knows how to use AI. That's how businesses today scale. Let me break the myth. You don't need to be a developer, you don't need a degree, you don't even need to know how to use code. I've seen people build full automation systems for their business using tools like ChatGPT, Botpress and Make.com. All no-code tools, just practical skills. Right now you have two options. Keep doing everything the hard way or learn just enough AI to stay relevant. You don't need to become a tech pro, you just need to stop falling behind. If you want to learn more, I host weekly live AI classes, practical real-world guidance on how to use AI within your work or business, and I'll give you the first class for free. You can sign up using the link in the description.